दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या एमएलएम पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you the complete details about a very unique and amazing platform wherein you can utilize your complete time just by watching ads. And on watching these ads, the company is also providing you a very good earning from here. So this will be a life-changing opportunity for you. So let us directly talk about the company. So the name of this amazing company is Digital Ads and their official website is www.digitalads.live. So at the very first, when we talk about the complete profile of this company, so Digital Ads is a full-service creative digital advertising agency which is situated in India. The team of this company is specialized and they provide creatively branded, cost-effective online advertising and media campaigns as advertisement. These all amazing facilities will strengthen your brands, engage more audience and elevate your business. Hence, their tagline is Creative Elevation. Along with this all amazing features, their toolbox include emerging media, traditional social media, paid search, banner and display online advertisement. Along with this, they also include email marketing and video advertising. So friends, after this, moving ahead, if we talk about the mission and vision of this amazing company, so their mission is to deliver result-oriented brand marketing program and public relation campaigns that enhance their client awareness, improve their sales and foster their growth. And when we talk about their vision, so it is to provide innovative and effective integrated brand marketing and public relation solutions which will help their client to grow their business and realize their marketing goals. Now moving ahead, when we talk about the company's tagline, which is the Creative Elevation. So it is a wholly equipped creative ad agency that offers a full suite of digital marketing services which are tailored to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. With over 10 years combined experience in digital advertising, the company remain on the cutting edge of internet marketing too. Friends, the company have the digital science perfected when it comes to the creating high converting, low cost call to action initiatives. Now let me tell you about the working of the company. So the feature one is Digital Ads is a company where they work like a bridge between the company and the client. They work truly market-based advertisement work. This is not a MLM. They are the advertisement company where they work towards the best growth of their client. When we talk about their feature two, so this is a unique platform which provides certain part of their revenue as income for the every user and the company who advertise with them get real user traffic. Now when we talk about their third feature, so the company distribute the amount from their earning to every user as revenge sharing program as they visit the ads. Now after this, when we talk about the values of the company, so the company is here to serve their clients with complete commitment. Also the company keeps abreast of what's going in your business so that they can deliver the best marketing solutions which are possible. Here, they are passionate about what they are doing and also they provide creative advertisement too. So friends, if we talk in short, so overall the company is result oriented. That means the company is pure and simple. They care about their clients the most so that they are providing many types of benefits here. So now on the screen you can see the various types of advertisement which the company is providing, which can be a television advertisement, radio advertisement, banner advertisement, social media advertisement, magazine advertisement, or it can be a newspaper advertisement too. So now let me tell you about the complete services of the company. So it is pay-per-click PPC management, social media management, online brand advertising, remarketing and retargeting, banner and display advertising, performance advertising and lead generation, graphic and creative design, print advertising, and the last, video production. So now moving ahead, let me give you some valid reasons which will tell you that why should you go with Digital Ads. So here you will get 24/7 support. This is a trusted management with best portfolio. This can be a life-changing opportunity for you and no hidden conditions are here. Along with this, no false promises are done and the most important feature is that here the payment is done in INR or the 100 payment is done in the Indian currency. Along with this, some additional and more beneficial features are that it consists of best team. Here you will get high profit. This is a 100% secure system. Here you can get daily payout. Along with this, easy UPI is also available. So friends, now without taking your more time, let us directly talk about the business plan of the company where first of all I will tell you that how can you earn with digital ads. So as this is a well-known fact that 89% of people skip the ads. But this company is using the same aspect and providing you this with a unique opportunity. That by watching the same ads and by utilizing your time, you can have a very good profit from here. And that too, your profit will be automatically transferred to your wallet. So friends, for getting started here, you can easily create an account, watch video, and you can earn a very good amount from here. For starting your earnings, you can do a free sign up and then you can start your earning. If we talk about the types of benefit which you can get from here, so you can get self ads watch benefit and team ads watch benefit. So at the very first, let us talk about the self ads watch benefit. So here, you can watch unlimited ads and earn unlimited self ads income from here. You will get 1 rupees per ads, so that under the special offer, you can have a very good profit from here. The more ads you watch, the more earning you can have. So the next type of benefit or bonus which you can have from here is the team ads watch benefit. So here in level 1, you can get 0.25 rupees per ads, level 2, 0.20 rupees per ads, level 3, 0.15 rupees per ads, level 4, level 5 and level 6, 0.10 rupees in each level per ads. So here if we take an example for the same, so here if you watch daily 100 ads, then you will get a daily income of 100 rupees. On watching 200 ads, you will get a 200 rupees daily. And if you watch 300 ads, then you will get an income or daily income of 300 rupees. So like this, you can have a very amazing income from here. Moving ahead, let us talk about in detail about the team ads watch benefits example. So here in level 1, if you have a 10 members team, then on the basis of 0.25 rupees, if they watch 100 ads, then you can have a 250 rupees daily as your income. In level 2, when you have 100 members, then if they watch 100 ads, then on basis of 0.20 rupees, you can have a total of 2000 rupees as your daily earning. In level 3, if you have 1000 members in your team, then if they watch 100 ads on the basis of 0.15 rupees, you can earn around 15,000 rupees daily as your income. In level 4, if you have total 10,000 members in your team, if they watch 100 ads, then on the basis of 0.10 rupees, you can have a total of 1 lakh rupees daily as your total income. In level 5, on having 1 lakh members in your team, on the basis of 0.10 rupees, if they watch 100 ads, then you can have a total of 10 lakh rupees daily as your total income. And in the last level, that is the level 6, if you have total 10 lakh members in your team, then if they watch 100 ads and on the basis of 0.10 rupees, you can have a total of 1 crore rupees daily as your huge income. So friends, with the help of team ads watch benefit, you can earn a very unique and amazing income from here, and only registered IDs will be countable, not any type of subscription. So friends, along with all the income types, they have some terms and conditions too. Like daily payment withdrawal will be there. If withdrawal is done through IMPS, then IMPS charges 1 to 1000 rupees will be deducted as 14 rupees per transaction, and from 1000 to 10,000 rupees, 1% on withdrawal amount it will be deducted. And second type of withdrawal which is available is the NEFT withdrawal. Here 2 direct actives are compulsory for your self ads view income withdrawal, and 10 directs are compulsory for your team ads view income withdrawal. For your self ads view income withdrawal, minimum you can withdraw 500 or in multiple of 500 rupees, maximum you can withdraw 10,000 rupees per day. For your team ads income withdrawal, minimum you can withdraw 1000 rupees or in multiple of 1000, or maximum you can withdraw 10,000 rupees per day. Here on one KYC document, you can have only one ID. And on your total withdrawal amount, there will be deduction of maintenance plus TDS, which will be 15% on the withdrawal amount. So friends, in this complete video, I gave you the complete details about the business profile, types of income and terms and conditions of this amazing and unique plan. So if you also want to utilize your time and want to earn some money by using that time, so you can also join here as soon as possible. For your free registrations, you can contact on the details given in the description, or else you can visit their website, which is www.digitalads.live. Thank you.